this video, I'm going to demonstrate the fluidOps self-service end-user portal. So first thing I do is I log in. This brings me to the initial dashboard where I see my current instances and a history of past deployments. So if I want to deploy a new virtual machine, I go to the service catalog. I only have the infrastructure as a service published to me, so I'm going to select it, and from here navigate to the deploy virtual machine wizard. First thing I do is I select the templates which I want to roll out. So I'm going to choose this Windows 2012. Next option is to select the region that I want to go into. Region is basically a collection of different infrastructure. So I'm going to check this region here and finally give the virtual machine a name. And finish the operation. The cloning is now in process. I see the process of what the backend is doing in order to roll out this VM. And after a little while, when this operation is done, I can reload the page, and now I have all the controls that I can perform on this VM. So for instance, I can create a virtual disk and attach it to the VM. And I can also change RAM and CPU. So in this case, there's going to be a warning. There's going to be a warning from the backend because it tells me that the virtual machine has to be turned off in order for this to be applied immediately. So for instance, I can suspend this virtual machine and apply these settings and then take it online a little bit later. So we already looked at the service catalog. The account information just shows a little bit about me as a person, my email address and so on. And the instances tab shows me more detail about the various deployments I have going on, about the history, when a certain operation was performed. And the service records down here show me a very detailed log of the various activities that I performed in the self-service portal.